Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's only me. My boys are all gone. I didn't get to vlog them this morning because I was just up and at it and out and trying to get going. So Tyler is off to school, of course, and baby's off to work. The weather is very cloudy outside. However, it's not cold because this is how I dropped Tyler to school this morning. I didn't need any sweater and he didn't wear any sweater to school either. So you know it's cloudy, but it's okay. I saw people in thick jacket. I'm like, what's wrong with y'all? Is it me or is it y'all just love wearing your jackets? But anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully we'll put a smile on your face by you watching today's vlog. I am have a few stuff on my mission to do today in preparation for baby girl. Just a little few things here and there. Nothing much because as you guys know that I'm ready. I'm done doing everything that I need to do for her. But I want to set up the breast pump today and I need to get her bottle sterilized and sanitize her toys and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm in the kitchen making breakfast because I'm hungry as usual. And of course you guys know what I'm making, plantain and eggs. Plantain and eggs. I have to laugh at myself. I'm making plantain and eggs, of course. And as I told you guys, I've ditched green plantain. So it's ripe plantain I'm frying, and I'm gonna fry 2 eggs, and then I'm gonna have 3 small slices of brown bread with my Tetley tea. Tell me what you guys having for breakfast this morning. All right. Have a good day. Stay blessed. Stay smiling throughout your day. Let nobody steal your joy today. When I said nobody, I mean nobody. If you see the steal joy coming on the left, honey, go on the right, okay? Whatever you set out to accomplish today, make sure you accomplish that and let nobody tell you that you can't until you try and try and try until you make it work, make it happen. All right, love you guys, love you guys, love you guys, love you guys. I am going to finish making breakfast and I'll catch you guys at some point throughout the rest of the vlog. Ta-da! Breakfast is ready and baby girl is happy. And then there was Sunday, Monday. Isn't most things that you cook on a Sunday and leave some over for a Monday, on the Monday, is like you look forward to eat it more than the Sunday. Is like it just tastes better than the day before. And this bowl of soup, oh, let me show you how rich it looks. Look at that. And I'm not going to even stay a second more with you guys because it's super hot. It smells so good. And I'm ready to dig in. And baby girl is happy because she already started jumping. She smelled the soup coming. This little foodie. Jeez, look at this stomach. You guys. Oh. Call it nesting. It's not nesting for me. It's everyday daily lights cleaning when I'm doing okay. So I just finished doing all that. The house is now fresh and feeling nice, extra nice. Now I'm gonna relax a bit before I go hop in the shower, get me a snack, and then I make dinner for my babies. But yeah, the day is going exactly how I want it to. So make sure you guys are having a productive day. We have mail.
A big one.
A big one. Let's see who it's from. Come, come, come. What in the world? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay. This is from Sandra Barrett Dixon. Stop your fake laugh. And it says, a gift note from Sandra Barrett Dixon. Enjoy your gift from a Jamaican in New York. Wish you all the best from Sandra. Enjoy your gift from Sandra. Thank you, Sandra. I think I know what it is. I think Sandra wait, stop the shouting. Sandra purchased the very last gift that's on that was on our baby registry. The only thing that is left on our registry right now is gift card. Okay, is gift card. So this should be Sandra's gift, and I think they also send a gift in it because this is a shampoo and a condition that comes in the package. But in here, oh, there's another thing, baby moisturizer. That's cool. All right, let me show you guys what this is because I already know what it is.
I put it on Marky.
Dermatologist approved, sensitive and eczema skin, suitable for sensitive and eczema skin. Oh, cool.
Oh.
Okay, it says funny help, baby musical mobile. So this mobile is for baby girls bassinet. Okay, you guys, so this is a musical mobile that needs to fit up and go on her bassinet. And oh, there's no instruction. Oh, there is. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me see if you guys can see that. There it is. I'm gonna fit it up right now and put it on our bassinet and show you guys how it turns out. But thanks you, Sandra. Appreciate it. Appreciate it lots. Oh, you figured that out. Oh, you know you could do that. You're so funny. Ah, his foot too. Oh my gosh! Something stuck in the curtain. Okay. What just happened? Is it a different color light? How did I get... Okay. Tyler, look at the giraffe in the ceiling. It's gone. Look! Oh my gosh! How cute! But why it flashed so fast? Oh, it go and come, maybe. Hold on. There's a book? It says something say moon.
I can't see it properly. I can't see it properly. I can't see it properly.
The giraffe?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the music mobile that came from Sandra. Thank you, Sandra. Appreciate it, and it's super perfect. So perfect. Thank you. This is the gift that came in the Playmobil box. Tyler, I'm talking to the faves with. It's a baby moisturizer for sensitive skin and for eczema, and it also came with a conditioner, and it came with a shampoo. So thank you, Sandra. I super love it. Super love it. Thank you.